There's a little child running round his house, and he never leaves, he will never leave. And the fog comes up from the sewers and glows in the dark. Baby alligators in the sewers grow up fast, grow up fast. Anything you want, it can be done.